Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best retractable garden hose reels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the ayleid retractable garden hose reel. This is a solid choice for those looking for a simple and functional hose reel. The standout feature here is its free lock system, which allows you to lock the hose at any length you need. This prevents extra slack, helping to avoid kinks and tangles during use. It also comes with a 100-foot hose and a 9-pattern nozzle, making it versatile for various tasks like watering, cleaning, and pet bathing. The design is compact and lightweight at 24 pounds, with a stylish gray color that blends well with most outdoor settings. The build quality is decent, though it leans more toward light-duty usage. It features a swivel bracket for a 180-degree rotation, which is great for reaching multiple angles in your yard. However, the PVC material used feels less durable compared to other options on this list, and it may not hold up as well under heavy usage or extreme weather. While this model is affordable and easy to install, it does lack some of the premium features seen in higher-ranked products. The automatic rewind system is functional, but it's not as smooth or controlled as others. Overall, the ayleid hose reel is a good budget-friendly option for smaller spaces or lighter workloads. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, but cons include its more basic construction and less robust auto-rewind mechanism. At number 4, we have the Neotech Retractable Garden Hose Reel. This product boasts a professional-grade build, featuring a 130-foot hose with 3-layer PVC construction and brass fittings. It's leak-proof and able to withstand up to 600 psi of pressure, making it one of the most durable options on this list. The hose reel also utilizes an enhanced auto-rewind system with slow-speed technology, ensuring that the hose retracts evenly without tangling. The design here is rugged yet stylish, with a dark gray polypropylene casing that's both UV and weather-resistant. Installation is straightforward, and the included 180-degree swivel bracket allows for excellent coverage across larger areas. The 9-pattern nozzle offers a variety of spray modes, while the locking mechanism lets you secure the hose at any length with precision. However, it's worth noting that the product is quite heavy at 34.3 pounds. So it requires a sturdy mounting surface. Overall, the Neotech model is ideal for users with medium to large gardens who need a heavy-duty solution. Its industrial-grade build quality and advanced features make it worth the investment, although the heavier weight and higher price point might not appeal to everyone. Pros include its durability and smooth operation, while cons are its size and weight, which might be overkill for smaller spaces. Taking the number 3 spot is the Drinkosh 3rd-generation retractable garden hose reel. This product stands out for its rigorous durability testing, having undergone over 20,000 retractions to ensure long-term performance. With a 130-foot hose and a 9-pattern nozzle, it covers a wide area, making it perfect for larger gardens. The hose is UV and freeze-resistant, so it's built to withstand various weather conditions. This model features a replaceable leak-proof leader hose and advanced sealing technology, making it one of the most reliable options for preventing leaks. The 180-degree swivel bracket adds flexibility, and the auto-retract system works smoothly, retracting the hose neatly without tangles. However, at 33.6 pounds, it's on the heavier side, and the installation might require some effort. The Drinkosh hose reel is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a robust and reliable solution. Its increased water pressure and heavy-duty construction make it ideal for demanding tasks. Pros include its exceptional durability and reliable performance, while cons are its weight and the slightly more complex installation process. In second place, we have the WikiWiki Retractable Garden Hose Reel. This model combines functionality and aesthetics with an intelligent auto-rewind feature that ensures smooth and controlled retraction. It comes with a 100-foot hose made of weather-resistant hybrid material, which is both durable and leak-proof. The 10-pattern nozzle offers great versatility, making it suitable for everything from watering flowers to washing your car. The design is compact yet sturdy, with a reinforced rotating bracket that allows for 180-degree coverage. The plastic outer shell is UV resistant, and the metal inner rod adds to its durability. At 25.4 pounds, it's lighter than some competitors, making installation and disassembly easier. However, the hose's 150 psi pressure rating is slightly lower than some heavy-duty models. The WikiWiki hose reel is an excellent mid-range option that balances performance and price. It's perfect for homeowners looking for a reliable and user-friendly product for everyday tasks. Pros include its smart auto-rewind system and versatile nozzle, while cons are its slightly lower pressure rating and shorter hose length compared to premium models. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel. This model is the ultimate choice for those who want a heavy-duty, high-capacity hose reel. With a 130-foot hybrid hose that locks at any length, it ensures you can cover every corner of your yard with ease. The guide system prevents kinks and tangles, while the slow return system ensures safe and neat retraction. The Giraffe Tools Reel is built to last, featuring an abrasion-resistant material that can withstand up to 600 psi of bursting pressure. The 9-pattern nozzle adds versatility, and the 180-degree swivel bracket allows for flexible coverage. At 28.4 pounds, it's lighter than some other heavy-duty models, making installation slightly easier. This product is a fantastic all-around option, combining durability, functionality, and ease of use. It's perfect for homeowners with large gardens or those who need a reliable tool for frequent use. Pros include its robust construction, long hose length, and smooth operation, while cons are its slightly higher price and the need for a sturdy mounting surface. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.